All right, go ahead and rev it. All right. About 99. This is stock before we did anything. I don't know if it's stock.
It is stock.
Okay, it's stock.
It was cut off,
So that's before we do anything to it. So we're gonna let you guys hear it after. 2004 Mini Cooper with a wide body kit, completely custom, completely homemade. It looks really, honestly, it looks really good. It's a really unique kit. You don't see it done like this pretty much ever. So made it look really cool. So it's got stock. Well, damn. 2004 Mini Cooper with a wide body kit right there. It's got factory converter right there, and then piping that we did not do. But what we did is installed this MAGNAFLOW MAGNAPACK. There'll be a link in the description for it, with a dual tip right there. Dude, that is so wide. That is awesome. But yeah, as always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Only about 20% of you are subscribed to our YouTube channel. If you guys don't mind, please show your support by subscribing. We really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Oh yeah. Sounds perfect. Sound decibels? Go ahead. 113. Go and back it up. That looks so good. If you guys want to follow the build, you can follow him on YouTube. I'll link his channel in the description. His name is MAGNAFLOW. That sounds really good. There's the idle on it. That's perfect. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah, I know, right? He's a really cool guy. Make sure you guys follow him on YouTube. MAGNAFLOW.